So, good morning, guys. So, today is Monday morning. We're still on vacation mode. But after 2 hours, we will go back to our Kabalian house because it's already Monday. So, we will make a refrigerator tour video. Inside our refrigerator, on the upper portion, we have some goodies. So this is chicken teriyaki. This is longganisa hamonada. Kinuhaan na siya. Okay. And we have crazy cat nuggets. On the upper portion, we have cooked ham. Okay, and we also have pork lumpia. So, okay. Here, inside the fridge, so we have here tocino roll with cheese. So we actually have two tocino roll with cheese, and we have skinless longganisa. It says keep frozen. And we have ice cubes. Fish. Solid nga isda, no? And we have ice cream. This is ice cream legit. Sobrang nga na si nanay. Kami naman si nanay nga rin ang mag-consume. 3. Okay. So, mana siya ang inside, no? Yan. Yan. Let's close this. Okay. On the lower portion, we have okay. Oh, daghan mga sobra-sobra. We will start with this side. So, we have limoncito or calamansi. Actually, pang ano ni sila, pang paris sa soy sauce. Sausawan ba? So, calamansi is actually a must. Importante na siya. So, we have our mangoes. Okay pang mangoes, no? So, we have our 3 mangoes. Then, sobra, leftover na coke. And then also, we have a leftover na nuts apple. Mga kinuhaanan na, no? Okay. Now, dirita side. So, we have there our pineapple juice, Del Monte. Dili mi kaayo mag-consume ani, pero sahay, no, para for digestion, to help for digestion. Kani, ako ning balon from Kabalian House. So, nagbaon ko og chia seeds, gi-prepare na ako na nag-iimnan. And the other one, pa, chia seeds ako na nag-prepare daan. Then we have mineral water dani na mo. And then we have honey, lemon tea. That one. Okay. Gi-prepare po din ako ikan sa Kabalian House. So, pagbakasyon na mo diri adtong gahapon, Domingo sa morning, bit-bit na mo. Then we have sa tawag ani Black Forest, which is not so black. So leftover na siya, kinuhaan na. Dapat ay nabilin diri nga munchkin, isa na lang. Dunkin Donut munchkin. And then we have a leftover sa chiffon cake. And then we have Dunkin Donuts. So, Dunkin Donuts. Like that. Okay. So, mana siya ang sulod. Then, ito i-open ang taas na portion para makita na ito what's inside. Chugs. Okay, ganun. Here, move dito. Okay, para. Yan. So, muna na siya ng refrigerator tour.